Good morning, and a wonderful morning we have here today in Mumbai. And welcome to our 60th session of Empowering Morning Conversations. So, what a great journey it has been. 60 sessions. People were, lots of my friends used to ask me, oh, I thought it's only for a few days. So, I would always say, hey, no, it's not for a few days. This is for life. Really? Yeah, because that's why we have a team of people. They'll make sure this carries on for life. And this entire group of positivity catalysts who are there with us, we will carry it forward because there is a need for positivity all around. So we will learn to generate positivity in ourselves and we will generate it with all the people who come in touch with us. Right? So we will have that wave effect. You drop a pebble in the pond and there are waves and ripples all around. That's what we are spreading. So wonderful session we had yesterday. And today's session is going to be a very interesting one. Why? Because you're going to make it interesting, like you always do. So I was thinking this morning, what is my message to you today? And my message to you today is that since we are interconnected, you realize that at the energy level, we are all interconnected. We are all interdependent. And what happens to one person impacts everybody else. And what happens to everybody else impacts us. So both in the energetic sense as well as the physical sense. So if you look at our globe on which we live, this planet Earth, so it's a self-sustaining, self-generating system, and each and every organic or inorganic life form which lives on this planet actually constitutes our universe. So if you study nature, you will find that everything has its role. All right. Unfortunately, some people are becoming parasites. So what is a parasite? In an interdependent world, everybody is giving something and everybody is taking something. Isn't that right? So if in any culture or in any ecosystem, if there is something which is only taking and not giving, what do you call that? You call it a parasite. So I am saying that we've become like parasites because we've been exploiting nature. Look at the amount of trees getting cut. Look at the amount of, carbon monoxide and other emissions that are getting into the atmosphere and everything that's going on. Okay. And why? Because everybody wants more than he needs. And why does everybody want more than he needs? Because we've got some scarcity mentality. जितना छीन सकते हो छीन लो, कहीं खत्म ना हो जाए. Isn't it? So hoard as much as you can because it might get finished. I was reading somewhere that if you take all the wealth of all the multi-billionaires on this planet and divide it equally among all the population of this earth, each person will get $1 million US. Right? Now, I have no problem with people who have tons and tons of money as long as they're using it for the growth and development of this planet. But you know how they are using it? They're using it by putting it in what they call investment. So money is making money. Money is not creating anything in the world. Interesting, isn't it? If money is creating something, what will happen? It will create a world where, we are not depleting the atmosphere. It will create a world where there is no need for war. It will create a world where we are not depleting our natural resources. It will create a world where we are not unnecessarily encouraging consumerism. We are manipulating people to buy more than they need so that some people can become richer. So do we have a problem with people becoming richer? No. I mean, if you've got the brain and you've got the intelligence to do an enterprise which makes you rich, good for you. And you can do it by providing employment, by providing goods and services that are necessary for people. But what's happening now? There was a time when they would make AC, a fridge. I remember we bought our first fridge in 1960. Okay, and that fridge was running fine till 1987. It was still running. Okay, we gave it away because we wanted a new fridge. Now you buy a fridge and see how long it lasts, because they've built in obsolescence, right? Because if they build any product which lasts forever, then their sales will not happen, no? So just start thinking what all things that humanity is doing, and we are forgetting that if we keep doing this, this is what the world will be, what you're seeing around, no? So do you want more of that? So Albert Einstein, the great scientist, he said, all the problems that the world has today, all the problems that the world has today is a result of the current level of thinking that we have today. So if you want to change the world and make it a place which will support our life forever, that's God's design, yeah? That He's made something that will support our life forever. So if you want a planet that supports our life forever, then we'll have to change the level of thinking that we have, okay? And with that is one of my passions why we do these empowering morning conversations, because in our every very small way, we are encouraging people to think differently. If you think that is correct, what I'm saying, that we are encouraging people to think differently, put a yes in the chat box, please. Great, thank you. Now, if you think that we should encourage more and more people to become a part of this movement, right? So that we change the level of thinking on this planet so that we can all survive forever. I'm not talking about us, we might live for 20, 30, 40 years and go. But we are talking about our children and our grandchildren. We are so concerned about our children, isn't it? Future generations. If you think that we should encourage more and more people to become a part of this movement, put a yes in the chat box, please. Thank you, Gautam. Thank you, everybody, for your responses. When you respond, when you share, right, it encourages us. We know that you're taking this seriously. And of course, you will take it seriously, my friends, because life is yours also. No? It's not only my life, it's all our life. So congratulations, my dear positivity warriors, positivity catalysts. Let's do a very nice little exercise, which we might not have done before. So close your eyes and think about this wonderful world that we are enjoying. Think about the things that are there in this world, which makes this world a place that you enjoy. Think of the gardens that you've been to, that you enjoy. Think of the lovely food, different dishes that you eat, which you enjoy. Think of the special places in your city where you live, where you go and you enjoy. Think of all the wonderful people who are there in your life. You belong to them and they belong to you. Think of those people. That's a part of the world which you enjoy. Somebody said, the world is my playground. So think of all the things that are there in your playground that you enjoy and celebrate that. Think of the player who's playing in the playground. So one player who's playing in the playground is you, na? खिलाड़ी आप तो हो ही. And appreciate that खिलाड़ी. Now become aware of all the other players who are playing in the playground. All these people make this place worth living in. This beautiful planet, all the beautiful trees, all the beautiful flowers. All the beautiful mountains. Every morning when I get up, I see this beautiful painting made by God, when I look out of my window. This is a world that I am enjoying. Think of all those people who have added to the beauty of this planet. Think of those people, this gentleman came to Himachal many years ago from America, planted, apple trees all over. Yeah? Think of the people who brought tomatoes to India. Think of the people who brought tea to India, coffee to India. So many things that we enjoy. Get a sense of this world which we have been enjoying since our birth. Would you not like to continue to enjoy this planet for the rest of your life? Your home, your playground? Think of all the beauty in the world. Is it not worth preserving it? And if we can make our contribution by changing our thinking and changing the thinking of all the people who get in touch with us in our life, isn't that a worthwhile endeavor? इससे बढ़िया कार्य हो सकता है जिससे कि दुनिया बेहतर बने. In a little while, I'm going to ask everybody to open their eyes, and I'm going to invite my friend Kunain Shahidi to tell us his wonderful shairi. I hope he's got something on this subject, the beauty of the planet, which we want to preserve. If you do, you can send me a signal. Huh? If you say no, then I'll not ask you. If you say yes, I will ask.
Yes.
All right, go ahead, Kunain sir.
Thank
Everybody
you, sir.
open your eyes and listen to what Kunain has to say.
Thank you so much, sir. And the shairi which is coming to my mind right now is that it's in Urdu. अर्ज किया है कि सुबह का सलाम सिर्फ रस्म नहीं बल्कि ये एहसास फिक्र भी है. सुबह का सलाम ये रस्म नहीं बल्कि एहसास फिक्र भी है, ताकि रिश्ते सलामत रहें और यादें बाकी रहें. ताकि रिश्ते सलामत रहें और यादें बाकी रहें.
ट्रांसलेशन तो बनता ही है.
और चूंकि कुलदीप साहब नहीं है तो उनके लिए एक शेर और कह दूं, इजाजत हो तो.
हाँ जी बोलिए.
मैं उठते हुए सूरज से मिलाता हूं निगाहें. मैं उठते हुए सूरज से मिलाता हूं निगाहें. मैं गुजरी शब का मातम नहीं करता. So today is a new day, new challenges, new opportunities. So I am ready to face the challenges, accept the challenges, or find the new possibilities. Whatever has happened yesterday is gone, is past. I don't regret whatsoever happened. It's gone. Today is a fresh day, new life, new challenges to move forward.
Translate the earlier one also, no?
Yeah, earlier one जो था, सुबह का सलाम सिर्फ रस्म नहीं बल्कि ये एहसास फिक्र भी है. So every morning when we welcome the world, it's not just a ritual that we just get up in the morning
and say good morning
and just say good morning and go to the regular work. It is a feeling that God has awakened me after mini death. Sleep is a mini death. So God has given me another life, another day, and feel that, as sir explained, the beauty of the world, so many things God has created, the beautiful picture. So feel that yes, I am today again in the world where God has given me so many things to feel and be happy. And also related to the people, like we are not living alone in the world. There are many people around. So this morning, it is the feeling that I keep connected with this world, with these people, and not only the current people, the future generation to come. That's what the sustainability concept comes here. So that whatsoever we are doing today, we leave a wonderful legacy behind us. So we welcome the day, welcome the world, connect with ourselves, and do something so that we feel proud and our generation feels proud that we have done something great.
Fantastic. Thank you very much for sharing that.
Back to you.
All right. So on that note, I'm going to leave you. I need to leave today, a little early. I have some work to do. So I'm leaving you in very capable hands of Mr. Rama and Kunen and Nidhi and everybody else. And they have an agenda which they're going to work on and share and participate with them. And I'll see you tomorrow. Make today session number 60 a memorable one. So see you. All the best to you. See you tomorrow.
Thank you, sir.
Thank you, sir. Good day.
Yes, sir. Good day.
Take care, sir. Be
Thank you,
safe.
sir. Have a great day.
Thank you, sir. Have a great day.
Good morning. Let's continue. So all of life comes to me with ease, joy, and glory. That's what we get every day here. So let's remember this, and get into power of generation. So what's the power of generation we have been practicing? Yes. Would Nidhi get started with that?
Power of generation is, where you have the power inside to generate happiness. You think it's in your hand, it's inside you, your belief system, your thought process. So the way, you start thinking, you start believing, you start generating, and you start achieving. So that's what it is.
Yeah, let's do that. Let's generate the power today.
Yeah. So let's generate the power of happiness. I'll say 1, 2, 3, and we all go for the laugh. Okay, so here we go. 1, 2, and 3. Silently.
100%.
100%. Okay, thank you, Ramaji. Here you go. Thank you.
Thank you, everyone. It's a great practice every day, generating the power what we want. So let's share your celebrations yesterday. So invite whoever can share, please come and share. How did you celebrate yesterday?
Yeah, good morning here.
Good morning, Suresh.
Yesterday, my celebration started at 7:30 till 8:30, being with
1
all
hour.
of you.
Yeah, I think we all saw you are dancing. It was an amazing celebration. One of the best, I can say.
Thank you.
Thank you for your great celebration, Suresh ji.
Thank you, sir. Thank you.
Niti ji, you wanted to say something.
Yes, two things rather. I think we've all finally become senior citizens today with 60 sessions. So that is a big achievement and calls for a celebration by itself. Second thing is, yes, yesterday's celebration, I think it happened very naturally without me initiating to celebrate, where I spent the whole day on a far more peaceful, happier mode. So that is how yesterday was for me.
Great, excellent. Thank you. Hasina ji. Okay, Subhash ji, go on. Or Rajesh Rao.
Yeah, good morning, everybody.
Good morning. Good morning.
Yesterday, it was a simple thing. It was raining very heavily in Mumbai. So we had a special celebration of Kanda Bhajia and Mirchi Bhajia.
Oh,
So it was a small thing, but we enjoyed a lot. No reason, but it was just like it was raining heavily. We had a great opportunity. I'm a diabetic, but it was a rare thing to have such things. Have a great day.
okay. Thank you. Thank you. It was great.
Sir, can I share?
Yes, sir. Reddy Garu.
I'm very happy to read the news today. Windfall from COVID lockdown, emissions down 15% globally.
Yes, that
Very happy
is
to
time
read
for
it.
celebration. Definitely. Yeah. Yes. Thank you. Thank you for that information, Reddy Garu. Yes, Gautam.
Morning, everybody.
Good morning.
Celebration is in different way. Yesterday, I celebrating driving car through a space. Just servers telling, just give a thought how we are there. This place is known as Eco Park. It's a beautiful water body, same nature, and it was clouded. Yesterday, it was overcast, and it is driving that through that beautiful pathway.
Okay.
Was my wife, and we're celebrating.
Oh. Wow, excellent. Excellent. Thank you. Thank you for sharing. Yes, Subhash ji. Asina ji, go on.
Yesterday we had Bhelpuri program. And
Okay.
we were about 16 people enjoying that.
Oh,
And at the end, we had all of us enjoyed ice cream. And there was so much noise and commotion while having. Half the people are not getting what they want. They're all stretching their hand, but it was great fun.
excellent. Excellent. Belpuri, ice cream, mirchi bhaji. Amazing celebrations. Thank
We
you.
all want to have it now, Sasina ji.
Yeah.
Come over, come over.
Yeah, you are there in Mumbai. You can go and have it.
No,
Yeah.
but okay, right, of course you can.
Yeah. Thank you. Asina ji.
Okay. Have a good day, everybody.
Okay, who else?
Yesterday when I received messages from Shakti Rajendran and other people like you and Vetri and Nidhi, appreciating my this thing. It is again, it boosted my moods again to do celebrate.
So one more celebration.
Yes.
Yeah, good. I think it's nice. So nice to do that.
I will go for it, Mr.
Yes,
Rama.
Raghuram.
Yeah, good morning. Good morning, everyone. Yesterday, I was enjoying while driving. There's a person who was watching his mobile and then walking. I know that he is going to cross. So I in advance I slowed down, and then he wanted to cross, but he doesn't. I was also stopped, but he doesn't know. I stopped it. He was laughing, looking at his mobile. I don't know what he's laughing at it. And then finally I just waited. I didn't even bang on anything. I was enjoying his smile, and then I was also started laughing. I don't know what it was. So laugh is contagious, which I realized yesterday. And then the moment he saw me that I was being there, he was started jumping and laughing, and then crossing the road.
Yeah, it is contagious. Thank you. Yes,
So
anybody else?
also again in the evening, I got a nice vada, and then my wife said,
Yesterday all-
eat some more. I said no. And then he said, only some days only I make, not all the day. So eat now itself. I looked at her and laughed. It's better now. I will have it more because we don't know the
Okay.
next when I'll get it.
Okay. So yesterday full of amazing
Eating.
snacks, various
Yes.
people. Yeah. Good,
Yeah.
good, good.
Yeah, good morning.
Good morning, Shivij.
Yeah, we didn't do anything special yesterday, but whatever we did, we really enjoyed it. My wife prepared a dal. It was so delicious. I had
Okay.
a toothache, even though I'm having toothache, but I really enjoyed it. I wasn't able to eat it, but it was so delicious, I could not prevent myself.
Right.
I heard that, there's a severe toothache, but still I want to have it. She said that I can give some liquid, something other thing. I said, no, no, no. I want this only.
Okay.
And I really enjoyed it.
Great. Excellent. Excellent. Thank
Ramaji,
you.
yesterday when I was there in driving, I thought I should share the photograph of that place. So I
Please
brought
do
it
that.
in my background.
Yeah, yeah. Please do that. Yeah. You can share
Yeah,
with
this
us also. Yeah.
Yeah.
Thank you.
My background where I was celebrated yesterday.
Okay.
Place name is Eco Park.
Eco Park.
Driving
Yeah.
ways.
Okay. Great. Nice place. Very nice.
I have very good memories with Eco Park. It's in Kolkata, right?
Where is it, Gautamji?
It is
Eco
in
Park?
near to airport, Kolkata airport.
Okay.
That is a new township. Absolutely, it's a smart city. And as because the government of India declared it's the best smart city project where
Okay.
all the facilities there. They develop the nature and they are developing the forest, rainforest in that area. I invite all of you and we'll organize our program in Eco Park. There's a place to stay, good place for food, all sorts of food. And it is a absolutely sustainability project. I'm also in this project, sustainability, how to develop this, maintain the world peaceful and for the future generation. That is the most important.
Yes.
What we are doing, sustainability, and we must do for our own survivability as well as survivability of my next generation.
Yes. Thank you. Vetri, what did you celebrate in the middle of the night?
At least if you asked late night, that's fine. Ji. Good morning, Ramaji. Good morning, everyone. Of course, yes, I celebrated. But the thing, Sureshji created the very high standard. Now I want to do something better than that. I tried, I couldn't because he has shown us a very big celebration. I went to garments. I bought 2 T-shirts. And I'm celebrating that. And I didn't send the photo. I had a T-shirt itself.
Okay, great.
But
great.
yes, of course I did it. Thank you very much.
Excellent. Yes, anybody else?
Yes, I am going to share yesterday's celebration.
Yes, sir.
Good morning, everyone.
Good morning.
Yesterday, I celebrated cooking new dishes because I am fond of cooking from my boyhood. Even yesterday, I made some cooking the new dishes, and I am a regular member of Calcutta Foodies Club. I upload my dishes over there and get lot of. Please share your recipes and etc. I feel absolutely cherished about to share all such things. Yesterday also I made some new dishes. The dish was ande ka dhokla curry. So I uploaded this. Mr. Gautam also have seen in that there, and he also gives me. It's so delicious. You make it and make us feed it one day. And okay,
What a combination, no? Amazing. Yeah. So full of no food, clothes, travel.
Yes.
We must say
dancing.
Bhalo.
Very nice.
Bhalo is the right word.
Yes.
Bhalo and Misty.
Yes, Sureshji's dancing. I also send. Absolutely, Sureshji. Your dancing was a beautiful one. And I want
Thank you, sir.
Your surroundings, sir.
Thank you.
But your food combination is amazing, Subhashji. Egg dokla and curry.
Ande ka dhokla curry.
Okay.
Ande. Yes, egg. Definitely.
Yeah, yeah. Nice combination.
Feeling hungry.
Feeling hungry.
Yeah, we feel
I'm
like
also
having
feeling hungry.
It
Okay,
is also
I'll send this picture to you.
Yes,
Just
yes.
publish.
That's
Sir, हमारा
so with the picture, you will make us feel more hungry, and yeah.
Okay.
sir,
Also,
हमारा
I will share the recipe. No problem.
Yeah.
that will be nice.
It's very easy. It's very easy to prepare. You will enjoy it.
हमारे हमारे celebration का मतलब ही खाना होता है actually. So
I know.
celebrate
Yeah,
everything.
Very-
So I also did the same thing, and plus the rain in Bombay is so heavy now. It has the wonderful thing that has happened is it has reduced the temperature. The people in Delhi are still suffering with 40, 42 degrees and all, but Bombay is super cool like a Lonavala, Khandala. So we have a beautiful weather. We are enjoying it, and this is the natural AC. You know, like the best set temperature by the ultimate. We are enjoying that, and yesterday was fantastic, especially with some of my friends who were very busy with their work and all. They started calling, and we were talking. Some of them they offered the bungalow. They said, "Sandeep, मेरा bungalow खाली है, तू जाता है तो if you want to stay there, रह सकते हो." So that was a wonderful feeling. Like that is the real sharing. You know, like we always normally express our feelings, but when somebody go to extent where you offer something, you know, personally, that takes to the next level. So काफी अच्छा लगा. Beautiful day, and as everybody is enjoying that food and all, so we are also into that celebration mode.
Yeah, basic pleasures of life. Yeah, of course. Great, great, excellent. I think it was really nice day. So Jai Krishna and Aruran, while adults are enjoying some basic things in life, what did you guys celebrate yesterday?
Yesterday, I didn't celebrate nothing much. Yeah, I didn't do anything yesterday.
Okay. Jay?
Aruran, didn't you celebrate that vada your mommy made yesterday?
No,
Why da?
I just ate one or two. I didn't
That's only for
celebrate.
adults. Yeah.
So I got more yesterday.
Yeah. Yes, Jay, go on.
Yesterday, I just had a conversation with my friend.
Ah, okay. Yeah, nothing like having a
We
very
played on.
yes, yes. Yeah, it's very nice to have conversation with like-minded people. That's amazing. Good, good, good. Right. Anybody else would like to share?
Yeah, I'm remembering one this thing. Maybe a few decade back or something, like when I met Sukdeepak Malwaiji at Bombay. We both went on a walk and entered into ice cream parlor and tried all the varieties whatever they have in that. That was a great celebration for me.
Okay. You still remember?
Yeah, I remember, and every day almost, I like listening music and all that. So I keep sharing whatever the song I like. I keep sharing with my friends. So they also, I think, okay, they also will enjoy at my level whatever I'm enjoying.
Okay, thank you. Thank you. Right. Anybody else? Neelam, I hope you are well now and did something yesterday. Kasha, anybody else?
Just to add on, Ramaji.
Yes, sir.
Like there is a old quotation. It says the more you celebrate life, the more there is in life to celebrate. So let's continue this celebration.
Yeah.
And though Sir had told, and we are discussing the moments of celebration. So it's very important for us to learn that how we can make our mind, or how can we set our mind in such a pattern that every moment we feel that we are celebrating the moments. And as Sir had told yesterday that don't get pushed by the problems, but pulled by your dreams and all such stuffs. So it's very important that we keep our mind in the celebration state, all the happy, contented, and that would be the real celebration of the life. So as someone say, the show must go on.
Right.
Carry on this celebration show throughout
Right.
the life.
Yeah.
For me, I
Thank
had
you.
a good moments with my children. There's a new
Yeah.
mall opened here, so we had a
Right.
nice time there, and it was a memorable, pleasurable moment.
Excellent, sir. Thank you.
Thank
So
you.
when we celebrate life, life celebrates us.
Yeah.
Thank you for
One more I
for
want
that.
to add. One more I
Yeah.
want to add.
Yes, yes, Raghu.
Yeah, yesterday again in the eatable only. I was having something before I rejected it because there is an egg in it. I don't eat egg. So my wife brought something from the supermarket. Night I was having it, and a small one. He said, "Why you are eating this? This has a egg," because he knows that I rejected before it was an egg. I said, "No, I checked it. It just shows only all the vegetables." Then what he did was he went after some time he came back and I said, "Say there is an ingredient egg is there." And I looked at him what it is. He took a pen and then wrote there's a egg and then he wrote egg. I said, "Appa, you're eating egg now." So small child comes with a great idea of what he remembers at very earlier days and then put me in trouble.
Yeah, children are amazing. They really shape us. They
Yes.
test us.
Yes, yes.
And, yeah.
Somewhere he brought and then returned his egg. It didn't even strike me that he will do that. And the innocent smile after that. After I look at this thing and then I don't know what to say for him. No, so the innocent smile.
Yeah, great test in life. The kids really create test for us in life.
Yeah.
If we cross that, we'll grow much better.
Yes, I think we should have more kids, 10, 12.
Yes.
Because the day we grow, again we stop laughing and other things. Only these guys can bring back that.
Yes. Right. Thank you all for great sharing. It was an excellent celebration yesterday. So let's look at what's today's question. Let's think about today's question and probably share a little bit about it. What qualities in you do you celebrate? What qualities in you do you celebrate? Think about it. What qualities in you do you celebrate?
Ramaji, can I add little to it?
Yes, please.
Actually, I have a appeal or a request to all the participants today. Since Ramaji is creating a wonderful thought, which has got a deeper and profound meaning to it, I want you all to participate. And before participating, just make sure that don't be confused. Because many times, like sir said, we talk about others very well. We talk about events very good. But when we talk about ourselves, we hide ourselves. No, nothing, no quality. But like sir mentioned, those qualities for sure brought us here. And of course, we are all self-driven people and interested in learning. We will go to greater heights. But let us celebrate what qualities we have which brought us here. Please go ahead. Thank you, Rama sir.
Yeah, thank you, Vicky.
Neeti ma'am, you want to share?
Okay, so should I start?
Yes, please.
Please.
Okay. I worked very hard in building this quality in myself. That is, I don't base my judgment on what I hear from people till I don't verify it myself. If I hear something about somebody from a couple of sources, then I think about verifying the information. If it is one or two feedbacks, I just ignore it. So people cannot influence me very easily about other people. That is one that I'm very happy that I've been able to develop. Second is I have finally reached that point where I don't get so influenced by other people's behavior towards me that I change from my own real nature. I have understood the distinction between the role they have to play and the role I have to play. And I am very happy sticking to my role, even if I am being taken for a ride. I am conscious of it because I realize it's a bigger play. So I deal with people the way I have to deal. They don't decide how I deal with them. So these two qualities I've worked hard on establishing, and I'm very happy about it.
Amazing, amazing. What a qualities. It's really very rare, you know. It's while we want, yeah, while each one of us want it, it is not straightforward. It is not easy. I
It's
think you
not
are really,
easy, and it's a lifelong learning. It's a lifelong learning.
yes, yes. Thank you. Thank you for sharing that, Niti.
Thanks.
And of course, you have a lot more, but you decided to share these two as the top ones. Yeah.
Yeah, this is what has come naturally into my mind at the moment, and I think probably that is the call of the hour.
Right. Thank you.
Yeah.
Yes, sir.
I celebrate my qualities like, you know, I keep adding people in my life.
Ah.
Okay. I mean, it is like, see, as much as people they come, I keep on adding them. I celebrate sharing with them the moments or whatever.
Right.
Even in my office, wherever, I mean, food, anything, even if, and public relations is my passion. So right from the beginning, I mean, even 30 years back where I worked, I am still in contact with the people, and day to day I find out about whereabouts and all that, and I'm in touch with everyone almost 99%.
No, that's very unique thing, because see, adding people is not so difficult, but sustaining and retaining is really something.
Yeah, because
that I think you are doing very well.
If we don't trouble others with our behavior, okay, you know, everyone will have their own moods and all that, so we have to respect them. It is not that, you know, I am in good mood, others I mean, it's others maybe, you know, they will have their own troubles at time, you know, instant troubles. So if I can share them how best they can come out, or if when they wanted to share with me, so I do that.
Right. Thank you. That's one of the greatest qualities you have, Suresh. Thank you. Major and Vivo 1919, we are discussing about what qualities do you have which you celebrate. What qualities in you do you celebrate? That's the question we are answering.
Fine, wonderful question.
Yeah, what qualities in you do you celebrate?
I always practice the pause. I don't react immediately.
Yeah, no problem. I just repeated the question, so we'll all reflect on that, think about it,
fine.
and then share. Yeah.
Okay,
Yeah. So whenever you want to share, you can share. I just
okay. I'll await my turn.
Yes.
I'll
sir.
wait for my turn. Right.
Yes, sir. Okay. Who else?
I'll share. So
yes, Nidhi.
I celebrate, I think, by birth, a smile on my face, which you know, make people look forward meeting me, talking to me, and it's very contagious. So you know, on Insta also my name is Knits for You Smile. So that's what my friends call. Once, you know, whenever your name reflects on the phone, it is like the smile comes. So I think that's a great appreciation and the quality.
Great, excellent. Yeah.
My passion is photography, and I celebrate with the animal, especially birds.
Okay.
I found I learned a lot of things, how they focus any prey before catching any prey, how the birds focus and take time, patience. So it is a life, is a patience is very important. I try to improve my patience.
Yeah, bird watching is one amazing way of really, you know, improving lot of other qualities in us. Lot of patience, calmness, meditation automatically comes, and then of course photography. It's amazing. Okay, thank you.
I guess Major sir is ready.
Yes, Major.
I always practice the pause. Unless prompted to act immediately, I always take some time to sink in the surroundings and assimilate the environment, internalize what happens outside, and only then I make the move. This has paid me very rich dividends during combat when I was there involved in a lot of operations. Not being trigger happy, that is in the battle situation, but in life, never start rattling out, even when without being prompted. Only when being prompted, I always make it a point to open my mouth.
Yeah,
Because life is same everywhere, be it in the army or outside the civil life. So I always practice the pause to great telling effect. And by practicing this, I found myself alive and in one single piece at so many circumstances. Because life prompts you to hit back immediately at the drop of a hat, either by blurting out or by reacting. If you're only able to hold yourself for a fleeting moment, if you're able to hold back that particular urge in you, which prompts you to speak either derogatory or in retaliatory, if you're able to just overcome that fleeting few seconds, you will have an upper hand over life and you'll be able to control the shots. So this is one quality which I take pleasure in applauding myself. Thank you.
Thank you, Major. You are the epitome of that quality. We all really would like to learn, and I love that quality myself.
Yes, Ramaji.
Thank you
Actually, we are all great fan of Major sir. And Major Ji, we would like to thank you for taking time to honor us in your busy schedule. And I see one more possibility, like from your army experience, as well as now you are taking up some transformation journey, which is you are taking it very seriously, combining both. You can bring out a book in the title of possibly Power of Passes. We will wait for it. Thank you very much for joining us, honoring us, Mr.
Thank you, Vetri. So kind of you. I'll take a pause and consider your idea. So kind of you. Thank you.
Power of Passes. Thank you very much, sir.
Yeah, thank you, Major. It is really nice to be associated with you and be along with you. Thank you.
I like to crave my indulgence for having joined late because I've been attending this UMM. That's why I always end up coming late.
Okay, yeah, understandable. Yeah, thank you. Yes, Shakti, you are deeply thinking. Go on.
Just I was resonating with the Major sir. For me, what qualities do I have? The helping tendency. I used to go and help people that I appreciate and celebrate that one. Then the care about my family and friends. That is, I used to celebrate. Then I keep on improving. I'll go and find a way, how can I improve? I'm always curious about that, new things, learnings. I think that's
no doubt. Wherever knowledge is there, you go across and grab it.
Yeah, so many. Yeah, that's one. So many forums we are attending. Yeah.
Yeah, not ruling, but your focus and real absorption is something great. Yeah.
Thank you. Yeah, thank you, sir.
Thank you. Yes, sir. Ashok ji.
Yeah. Hello. How are you?
Fine, sir.
At least today, the noise level is low at my end, and connection seems to be better. The
Ashok ji, that is all because of our prayer. We want to hear you.
Yes, correct.
That is the celebration.
Yes.
I enjoy life more when I see somebody smile on the person with whom I am speaking to or addressing to or mixing with. I always enjoy that, even if the meetings are very serious.
Right.
At the time when we conclude the meeting, we always say that let us have one common joke, which everybody will enjoy, and we should not leave the meeting place with saturation of there's tensions in our mind. When we go out, we should have that joke we should remember. And I like that. And I say that, okay, we are temporarily dispersing now. We will meet again and start with the joke so that the atmosphere in the meeting is very, very congenial and warming. Secondly, again, compared to that, I have been extremely lucky all these years. 78 is not a small time.
Yeah.
See, thinking that we were born in when we were not independent, and Maharashtra movement and Chinese war and Pakistan war and so many earthquakes and so many things. So we are very lucky at this stage. And if I am lucky, it's my duty to make somebody else also equally lucky. And that is the way I celebrate my every day and my life. Thank you. Thank you.
Thank you, Ashok. It's amazing. You are such a knowledgeable and wisdom person, and also you are including the humor and laughter. That's really amazing. And
one incident to be given, not now, it happened last month. Our Rotary Club decided to install Jaipur foot for the people who are lost in polio or accident or whatever reason.
Okay.
And I was in charge of the team, and we fitted 75 legs in matter of 20 days to the amputees.
Okay.
The income level of all those people is less than 3,000 rupees a month.
What a great
and
gesture.
And they have lost most of them have lost their feet in railway accident.
Okay.
I don't know when we are going to learn that traveling in railway is not, it can be safe only if we are inside. And most of them said that they were pushed before the station came and lost the leg. It's when you meet them and they see the family and their faces happily, I don't know how to explain, but the happiness which is radiant on their face when they start walking, looking here, there, and start walking. It's beautiful feeling. Beautiful.
Absolutely. I think when you really help people, our life, lifetime increases automatically.
Well, one of these days when we do this publicly, I will invite all of you to look at them, look at their faces, how energetic and determined they look, that I can walk now, I can do this.
We would like to. Yeah, we would like to participate and watch that. Thank you.
Sure. Thank you.
Thank you, sir. Thank you very much for that, sir.
Ashokji, thank you very much for inspiring all of us. That is such a great thing which running on my mind is God has chosen you to do all these things. You have done.
If I am that lucky, it's my job to make somebody else also equally lucky or happy or satisfied that he is not a burden on somebody else. That's one of the things. I don't want to be burdened, and I want others also to learn that they should not be burdened. And that can happen only if you celebrate your life every day and look forward for the next day. If you say, oh my God, what the hell now, again the same thing. No. We say that today is over, the sun doesn't rise at the same place again. So sun doesn't rise on the same time also again on the next day. So if he can improve himself, why can't I? It's so simple.
Amazing.
And I really enjoy that.
Thank you, sir. Thank you. Such a great contribution at this stage.
Exactly, Ramaji.
You are boon and inspiration, sir, for the society. You are boon and inspiration.
Yes.
We're thankful that we are staying in the same society.
In fact, we can all unmute and clap for this act, which
Yeah,
Ashokji
and
gave.
also so sharp and energetic. That's that's the thing.
You deserve much more, Ashokji, and finally you came and shared this. You elevated the concept of celebration to the next level.
Yes.
Doing to the people who cannot return back, and doing it very 200% sincerity is the celebration which God has given us opportunity to do that. Thank you very much, Ashok.
Thank you.
for that.
Thank you. Thank you.
And Ramaji, during this great share happening by Ashokji, there is a small celebration going on in the screen. Have you all watched?
What's that?
Who are all watched? Just lift your hand. Ashinaji, we are talking about you.
Ah, okay.
We saw that beautiful kiss. We want you to elaborate that. Please go ahead.
I didn't follow you.
Actually, while Ashokji was sharing,
Yes.
your sister or somebody gave you a beautiful kiss. The first
Yeah, I saw that.
the first kiss was not planted on a proper thing. Then you just may adjust something, and it was a perfect screen. After that, you realized the screen was on. Now we want you to elaborate that. That adds more to the celebration.
Yes, they are sitting with me, and I didn't realize my video was on. And my granddaughter came and kissed me. I said, "Move! I'm on. My video is on." Then my cousin came, and I don't know what they spoke between them. Then my cousin came, and she gave me a kiss. At that point of time, I said, "So sweet of her to come," and I didn't realize again that the video was on. So I let her kiss me.
This is live celebration.
We were celebrating about yesterday. We were sharing about yesterday's celebration. Now we are celebrating on the screen. Thank you very much.
Right, correct.
Live celebration, Vetri.
Yeah, thank you, Asnaji.
Thank you.
It is one of those kissable moments for Hasina ma'am.
Yes, Mahesh.
Yeah, for the purpose of Priya and others who joined, we are answering the question, what qualities in you do you celebrate? That's what people are sharing right now. So you can go ahead. Who else wants to share? What qualities in you do you celebrate?
I will go for it, Mr. Ramar.
Yes, Raghu.
Yeah, good morning. once again.
Just like to.
Yes, Sandeep. Yeah, after Raghu. Yeah.
Okay, thank you. Yeah, whatever I feel in my life is like live a very simple life which leads to a sustainability. We talk about sustainability too much in the thing without practicing it. This is what I have seen. But if you live a very simple life, I think automatically the sustainability comes, and then the act of giving and then making someone else happy, which will come. Because with this simple itself, you feel that abundance. So you don't need to look for something big to make you very luxury or something. The luxury lives in a small thing, like how we celebrate now here by sharing their experiences and how they celebrate. If you see all this, the celebration is in a very, very small act. There's nothing extravagant in it, but we are laughing, and then we are cherishing the moments. So that is the quality I have, and then I would like to continue and share with others too.
Thank you, Raghu. Simplicity, act of giving, helping, very good, very nice qualities. Thank you. Yes, Sandeep.
No, in fact, I would like to talk more about Dr. Rajesh Raoji, who is in our group.
Yeah.
In similar activity of what Ashokji is doing, Rajesh Raoji has been very actively involved with the NGO, which gives a very free service to thousands of Warkaris, particularly the people who go to Pandharpur during the Wari time. And I will be happy if you could share something about it. He is serving thousands of people actually in every season.
Yeah,
and
sure. Let him share that. I think you are obviously very nice person to appreciate. But you share your quality, what you celebrate, Sandeep. Of course, we know what we celebrate. Your quality is. but you say, what do you like?
For me, I feel that I'm also, I go very much with what Major Saab has said. And not, there is lot to learn from Major Saab, what he has shared. But there are certain similar qualities, like I'm learning and I'm happy and I'm celebrating about that qualities of the patience, not reacting. I was totally opposite person before. And I'm learning, trying to implement, and I feel so happy when I talk to everybody. I get so many things that I can improvise little, and that little improvisation only make a lot of difference. So one more thing about my celebration is I'm in a good learning phase, and I am happy that I'm having such a wonderful teacher. Besides Sukhdeep sir, everybody is contributing so profound things. So there are a lot of learnings, there are a lot of takeaways I have every day.
Yeah, thank you, Sandeep. We all appreciate and celebrate your qualities. Thank you. Yes,
Yeah,
sir,
I want
Rajesh.
to.
Okay, Suresh, 1 minute, Suresh, sir. Rajesh Rao, sir, would you like to share?
Yeah.
Yeah.
Not only we family physician who do work there, but even Sandeep as a social worker, he joins us, and he is also a great help in such programs. Wari type. We give first aid to all those people, pilgrims. Who pass through that. We have a camp there. That time is people like Sandeep who are like, they also help a lot. Every year since last 30-40 years we have been doing that.
Yeah.
Right. Anything else? No.
Yeah, right. Thank you, sir. Thank you. Yeah. Yes, sir. Suresh, sir, you wanted to say something.
Yeah, I mean, daily, day to day, the moment I open my door, a few dogs will be there. I give them biscuits. When some cats will come, they play with me and go. They are outside only. They have, like, even dogs. This is how I celebrate even small things, like even in the office, everywhere.
Right. Thank you. Thank you. Okay. Anybody else would like to share? What qualities would you like? What qualities in you do you like to celebrate?
Yeah. Hello. Yeah, Suresh here.
Yes, Suresh ji.
Yeah, I don't have all these good qualities. I am trying to find out whether I'm of this level or not. But one thing I can tell you that I'm very much interested in talking to the students. Those who are not able to speak well, those who are not don't have confidence, those who are preparing themselves for the job and all these things. I would like to talk to them. I would like to train them, and that is my passion. So in a way, I try to help these students because I was responsible for the training and the placement of the students in my college. And before that also, when I used to visit students in my wife's college, I used to talk to students. I used to prepare them for personality development and communication skills, and they used to enjoy it, and I used to enjoy with them. This is my passion. Now, when I listen to all these great people, I think that I should also join with people for this great noble project. So I think I have to upgrade my level now to come to the level of Mr. Ashok Puranik and Vinay Sir and all these people.
Thank you. Thank you. That's the power of sharing. Thank you. Thank you all. Now let's move on to important point of sharing about our learnings in this empowering morning conversations. Today is 60th day. Can you believe that we have completed 60 days? It looks like we just started few days ago. So Mr. Sukhdeep Malvai has been really of great assistance for us to learn and share, and he shares his wisdom, and so much we learned so far. So in this 60 days, what is the takeaway from these sessions for each one of us? Could we share that, please? That will be really amazing. On the 60th day today, let us share what is our takeaway, what is our learnings, how do we feel about it? Can you please start sharing that one?
I think it'll take 1 hour at least, Ramaji.
Yes, sir.
Because 60 days means almost 60 hours. And if I look back, there are plenty. It's a life transforming wisdoms or the nuggets of what we have got it. So it'll take definitely more time to express. But the crust, what I have noticed, which is related to my endeavor, focus to keep on celebrating my life, is that we all have our own unique qualities, which through this journey we are trying to develop and improve upon. So what I have, my takeaway is that, yes, we do celebrate our own unique qualities and talents and whatsoever, if we feel good. My takeaway is that I have started learning also to appreciate the qualities in other human beings, or even though if there are certain things which I don't like, or understanding the difference, what I am and what the other person is, and then celebrating the understanding of the difference, celebrating the feeling of coexistence in spite of we all are different. And like in this room, we are from different parts of the universe, different parts of the world, different parts in India. But see the beauty, see the power of coexisting and feeling as a one. So my takeaway of the 60 days previous sessions, there are many others, but in nutshell, the power of feeling of oneness, the power of feeling that I am, and there are many others, and they all are same like me. So though we are different, but we are one. So I am celebrating the difference of being together. So that's my takeaway, sir.
Thank you, sir. Thank you. What a great learning and great takeaway.
Can I share?
Yes, sir.
After attending all the classes, I learned not to react or not to resist. So slowly, I am trying to live in the present mood. I think this helped me a lot, both in my life, in my business also. That's what it's a takeaway for me.
Excellent, excellent, Reddy garu. Thank you. Thank you for that. Not to react, be present. Thank you.
Yeah, for me,
Yes, sir.
what I'm taking away is like whole group of people are with me. We are sharing knowledge, anything, and we are enjoying. We are more to open. You know, a lot of people outside, you know, they don't come out with what you are inside and what you are outside. So here, inside and outside, person is coming out, okay, sharing and whatever. So this is what, and every day it is a celebration. Every day, knowledge, everything. I mean, a life, whole life is. I'm taking away from this.
Thank you.
Group
Thank you, sir. Yeah.
experiences.
Yeah, we are creating, Mr. Sukhdeepak Malvai. Hasnaji, I will come just 1 minute. So, Mr. Sukhdeepak Malvai has created this community of positivity catalysts and possibility enhancers. So, it's amazing to be with this community and this people and learning every day and encouraging each other. Thank you, sir. Asinaji, please go on.
Yeah, my takeaway is that I am very happy from the time I have joined this group. Another thing, what is inside me comes out every morning, which I have not been able to do with other people. My family is very close to me, but still there are few things that I have not been able to open up. But this is a great platform for me, and I'll never give it up.
Oh, wow. Thank you. Thank you, Asinaji. You are a great supporter of this positivity catalyst, and you are always there. And you really share everything, and you are being part of us. Oh, thank you.
I'll share next.
Yes, Nidhi.
Okay, so first of all, I think it's a great platform, and with a great concept of what Sir have started with, and you all together thought of it. So that's amazing so that all of life comes to you with ease, life, and glory. Every day, a start with positivity, good thoughts, good people. So I think it's a good collaboration what Sudeepat sir has done, and good platform what he has given for everyone. So I just want to thank him and thank everyone here for being a part of this journey for 60 days. So thank you everyone, and thank you so much, sir, for everything.
Thank you. Thank you. This is not just 60 days, 90 days, or 100 days. We are going to stop it. Like
We will
Sai says,
keep on rocking and
it is
doing.
forever, lifelong, not only lifelong, beyond life as well. That is the idea. Yes.
Ramaji, can I?
Yes, Vetri.
So many things are there to share on learning wise, transformation wise. I don't want to go a little deeper to it. I want to share one thing happened to me was Sukhdeepak Malwai made my family bigger. My ration card is now very big. I have a brother in Bombay. I have a sister in Calcutta. I have a all relationship. These guys are becoming so close. Two things I can share. When Ashina ji, while closing the session, she said good luck. I feel like because I'm alone in Dubai, I feel like my mother is wishing me to the job. Something it is happening in a very close level, and when you see, I have no idea before the 60 days who are all few of the people, but now I feel intense close. They know all my secrets. I know their secrets. It is like every day we are seeing this family has become very big, sir, and I'm enjoying it. Thank you very much.
Absolutely. We are all very closely, intensely connected through energy. Like Sai says, we are all energy beings, and we are all connected very, well. Thank you, Vetri. So, anybody else? Anu, would you like to share? You have some suggestion as well. Go ahead and say it, Anu. Anu, yes. Okay, so while you are getting ready to talk, anybody else would like to share?
Yeah, I'd love for people to share about what they have got out of these 60 days.
Yeah.
I mean, thank you very much for the appreciation and praise and all that you're doing. But I'm interested to know what difference has it made in your everyday life? Like some people have shared. So I invite everybody to share that in 60 days, whatever number of times you have attended with us, what have you learned and applied, and how has it made a difference to your life?
Thank you, sir. Yes, please go ahead and share your learnings and how these EMC sessions impacted in your life, how it changed, how it helped. Yes, Niti.
Okay. These 60 days have kind of put me into a carefree mode where I live my day in certain ways cautiously, but also in a very carefree manner, because I know next morning when I come on to the session, I will automatically be corrected for where I slipped or where I kind of gave away to weakness, and be brought back on the track. So I take this as a daily dose of what should I say, correction in my behavior, and I am liking it. I am enjoying it, and this is it's important. It's important because every day is a new challenge, and then I come back here and I get to evaluate whether I took the challenge correctly or not, did I face it correctly or not. So it continues to be a very good learning experience, a growing experience.
It's a daily vaccination for our mind virus.
Oh yes, it's a daily vitamin.
Right. Thank you. Thank you.
And I must say, you're looking quite gorgeous today.
Thank you.
Yes, Niti ji. Yes, what's your learnings last 60 days? How it impacted your life?
Yeah, it's day-to-day upgradation. Every day we are upgrading ourselves from good to better kind of thing, good to great.
So what is
whatever.
the upgrade? That is what we would like you to share now.
Yeah, upgradation. Every day is a new life. Every day we are celebrating. Every day we are learning, sharing, and getting rectified, being a better version.
So every day you are becoming better version of yourself.
Yes.
From these sessions. So
I feel like our life, we create our own destiny and we require tools for it. This last 60 days session, every day, either directly through Sukhdeep sir or through our interaction, I'm getting every time a new finer tool to make my present and my tomorrow better. And the wonderful thing I would like to share is there was a last few months now, I was normally cutting off people. And now what is happening is particularly last 1 week, I am seeing that a lot of people have been added back. They're very happy. And that happened only because I stopped judging. I am trying to be more open. A lot of time we learn that sentences that stop judging, but we don't know how to implement it. And last so many days, among 60 sessions, a lot of time we are talking on the same thing, and that is giving us finer aspect of how to not judge. What will happen if I stop judging? And I am also seeing the result of. So this is not just an experiment. We are also getting the we can see the changes that is happening, and that is the result of 60 days session. So thanks to all of you, and thanks to Sukhdeep sir especially.
Hello. Sandeep, may I make a request to you?
Yes, sir.
My name is Sukhdeepa KR, not Sukhdeep.
Sorry. I'm sorry. Sorry, sir. Yeah.
Thank you, Sandeep. The way, like
But
you
wonderful
said,
sharing.
My apologies.
Yeah,
So
like
he
you
has
said,
given very specific things that he has got out of the program, right?
yes.
So-
We really got so many tools in these sessions.
See, when you acknowledge something that you got it, no, it becomes more real for you in your life.
Yeah. Thank you, Sandeep. Not only so many tools gathered, you are clearly stating that what is the impact it is making in your life, that people are coming back and you are able to connect to them through whatever you learned through the learnings. Excellent, Sandeep. Thank you.
And the most important thing is, sir, when we are talking about empowering energy, so what we are also learning is when we cut off certain things, then we ourselves actually we confine our living actually. So it is always better to accept, and that's why all that comes to me, all the word that all good, better, best, worst, whatever,
Right.
how to face that, we are getting a wonderful help for that actually. So
Right.
thank you.
Inclusion, exclusion. We talked about every possible day-to-day practical life related aspects and the tools, techniques, and energy. Yeah, thank you. Yes, who else would like to share what you learned, how your life got impacted due to empowering morning conversations of last 60 days?
I would like to say not only last 60 days, for the last 35 years or whatever the association with Sukhdeepak Malwai. It's a day-to-day, I have improved in my family life, in professional life, and social life. Problems keep coming in every family, every profession. So to handle that, I have learned. I used to share with him. He used to give me some ideas, whichever is better. I felt I chose, and today I am here. I have to say one thing: my parents gave me birth, but he has given me life, to live. And now, during these 60 days, I might have not attended all, but I have got all these 35, 40 people with me added. This is the beauty of this platform and Sukhdeepak Malwai particularly.
Thank you, Sureshji. You know, it's a great remembrance and great gratitude you have towards Mr. Sukhdeepak Malwai. And you are lucky, no, associating with him for 35 years. Not a small thing. No wonder you dance like a hero. Thank you. Thank you. Vetri, you are muted. Yeah.
Hasinaji wants to talk something. Go ahead.
Yes, Hasinaji, go ahead.
If I have to say what I've got from here, I think I've got such a big list, and half of my list is in Bombay and I'm in Pune. So I would want to share it little later, not today, because then
No problem. No problem.
amount of things that I have got out of this.
Yes. Even if you are writing, you can write it and send it to sir. We'll put it in the.
No, I'd like to verbally mention.
Okay. Great. Sure. Yeah, we will remember to ask you tomorrow.
Okay. Not tomorrow. I'm in Pune now. When I go back to Bombay, as and when.
Okay. Sure. Thank you.
Thank you.
Yes, who else? Kasha, Lina ma'am. Shakti, Ashok sir. Yeah, I know today we are extending because today is holiday. So we'll take
Okay.
5-10 more minutes.
Rama, I want to say something.
Yes, sir.
So I've been listening to everybody sharing about how they have been celebrating and what they are learning. And I thank you all for sharing it. So a lot of times, what happens is that there may be some changes happening and there may be something you're doing differently. But you may not be taking a note of it, not realizing it. No?
Yes.
So when you realize it and you take a note of it, then you're able to repeat that behavior which you did. Okay, so that's one thing I wanted to say. Second is that after listening to you, I realized, people can take these little things also and celebrate them. Like trivial things, like having a good, what shall I say, vada, you can celebrate that. You had a great conversation with someone, you can celebrate that. You can celebrate anything.
Yes.
And that's what the little children do. When life becomes a celebration,
Yeah.
and people can see, okay, what's happening to this guy? Why is he so happy? So that is the point where we want to reach, that just our presence with other people, it influences them. Like a yawn is influencing and 4 people yawn. That your happiness, your radiance, your energy, that goes out into the world and people are getting affected. And, the beautiful example, what Raghu shared, that somebody was walking with the phone and he was laughing.
Yes.
And, he waited there and let him cross. And that fellow saw Raghu and he was laughing and enjoying himself more.
Yes.
That's an example of when positive people get together, there's synergy and more happiness is there all around. So I'm so happy. Today is truly a great celebration of 60 days. And let us keep it up, because keeping up is in 2 ways. Come here, listen, really listen properly, implement, share, not only with us. You can share your insights and breakthroughs with other people. So then they may ask you, okay, what are you doing that you're getting all this? Okay, well, you come and join me in the morning conversation. So that is your contribution to make the world a better place. So Rama, I just wanted to add that. So
Thank you, sir. Thank you so much.
Sir, if you have 30 seconds more, I want to hear from you. How do you feel being with us for 60 days?
Who, me?
Yes.
I am very happy because I am getting an opportunity to make a difference to so many people, For me, I feel grateful that you are allowing me to fulfill my life purpose. You get that?
Yes, sir.
I'm grateful that you are allowing me to fulfill my life purpose. Thank you so much for that.
Thank you very much, sir. We are grateful that you are allowing us to be there. Bye-bye.
Thank
Rawat
you.
sir, I want to say something.
Yes, Lina ma'am.
Yes, I am thankful to you that you introduced me to Sukhdeepak sir. And I am grateful to him also. And because I am finding some changes in me. Okay,
Great.
and only regret is that I could not join every day. But I somehow watched that videos. But that enjoyment comes only when we are
Yeah,
present.
when you really
Isn't it?
participate. Yeah, you are
Yes.
right. Yeah, yeah. No, in fact, you completed, Lina ma'am. There is one more point. Yeah.
Yeah. No,
That's it. Okay. Sir, Sukhdeepak sir, there is a suggestion from Anu that, can you also make it available similar session in the evenings? Some of them like Lina ma'am, Anu and Priya and many other people are busy in the morning. So the request from them is that, is there a possibility for you to have sessions in the evenings? In addition to morning, I don't know. So that's
Yeah,
the
yeah, why
request.
not? But if you're going to make me work double, it will cost you. Now we
Yeah.
can seriously consider it, okay?
Great, great. That would be really great because there are some people who are busy in the morning and they would like to participate in the evening.
Yeah, lots and lots of people, I know
Yes.
people who are there on this Good to Great program,
Right.
people like Viru and all, they would love to be there in the evening sessions and not in the morning ones.
Correct, correct.
Because they started going to work, you see,
Yeah, yeah,
and their office starts at 8 a.m.
yeah, exactly. In fact, some people
So
stop much earlier also. Yeah.
I'll have to find one slot in the evening which is free.
Okay.
That is the problem. So only one day is free.
Yeah.
Let me see how we can handle it.
Yeah. So that evening session need not be daily, sir. It can be on a different frequency. Let's see.
Okay, we shall seriously consider it, and you can ask all these people
Yes,
that
sir.
how many of their friends would come if we have a session in the evening.
Okay. Okay. Sure.
Yeah,
I
they
will-
can send us the information. They can write a WhatsApp message to me
Yes.
that we have friends who would love to join in the evening. So if we get a sense
Yeah.
that around 20, 30 people will join, then we will open it up to them.
Okay. Okay. Thank you, sir. Thank you very much for considering that. So Anu, Lina ma'am, Priya, and everybody else, please check out you and any of your friends, whether how many of them are willing and interested in coming for the evening sessions. Depending upon the interest, sir will open up the evening sessions as well. So please send a message to me or to Vetri or to Kunain, Nidhi or Sukhdeepak sir.
Okay.
Right. Anybody else would like to share on the learnings and takeaways and the changes you got in your life due to these sessions last 60 days? Right. If there is not many more inputs now, you can of course share it later also through the WhatsApp message as well as sharing tomorrow or day after whenever possible. And it has been really amazing journey last 60 days along with all of us together. Like many of you mentioned, it is like more like a family, more like connected with each other, learning from each other. And thanks to our great mentor and coach, Deepak Malvai, in really bringing us together and imparting such a great knowledge for all of us.
Exactly. Ramaji,
Very useful.
before closing, I
Yes.
want to hear from you. How do you feel for the past 60 days? What is that you
Oh,
learned?
wow. I feel like I'm really part of the family, like some of you mentioned. It's like every day meeting the family and sharing our joys and pleasures and our ideas and learning from each other. And it's like a everyday dose for living the life in a very energetic way. So that's what I would say. Thank you.
Exactly. Just to correction,
Yeah, Rama,
it's not a
when
vaccination.
everybody leaves,
Yes, sir.
the four of you stay on. We will have a small.
Yes, yes.
Okay.
Yes, sir.
Okay. Sure. And Ramaji, like you said, there is a small change. It's not a vaccination, it is a booster pack every day.
Booster, yeah, it is a booster, yeah. Right.
Thank you very much, sir. That was such a lovely share. Thank you.
Thank you.
Yeah,
Yes, so with that,
I want to make one small comment
yes, sir.
about this group.
Yeah.
If you just imagine 30, 40 butterflies flying together.
Why?
Butterfly
is-
park. Butterfly
Yeah.
park.
Yeah, that is the feeling I have when I entered somewhere around 7:15 to 7:30 here.
Fantastic. What a wonderful thing you said. You've given me the idea for the visual for tomorrow.
Oh. Great, sir. That thank you.
Right. So with that, today we end our sessions. We will see you tomorrow morning. Thank you all very much for the participation. Wish you all the best.
Keep celebrating.
Yeah,
Have
you
the
can
life
stop
of-
the live sharing and the recording also now.
Yes, sir.
Thank you.
Thank you.
Thank you, everybody.
Thank you, everyone. Thank you.
Have a great